Hi, I'm Chris, the resort manager at Sun Outdoors Petoskey Bay Harbor. Thanks for booking your stay with us. Let me take you on a tour. The atmosphere here is peaceful, family-friendly, and very welcoming. We have a pull-through, full hookups, 50 amps, brick fireplace, double-wide sites, plenty of room for all your stuff and activities. We have one-bedroom cottages. We also have two-bedroom cottages. You can stay up to a week or even a month. We have a lot of wonderful amenities here. We have basketball, pickleball, we have a heated pool, a hot tub. We have a putting green, and inside of the clubhouse, we have a billiards room, we have the cafe, and we have a dog park for all your furry friends. We want to make sure that our guests have all the conveniences. We have 2 comfort stations with showers and bathrooms with laundry. We also have locker rooms in our clubhouse, and we can deliver wood and ice for you any time of the day. We have a general store. You can find anything that you might have left at home. What makes our resort unique is it's in beautiful northern Michigan and its proximity to 4 awesome towns. We have Charlevoix, Boyne City, Petoskey, and Harbor Springs right across the bay. There is a lot of fun activities for families to enjoy. You can go to downtown Petoskey, you can go shopping, walk around. There's Lake Michigan, Petoskey State Park, beautiful sandy beaches, spend the whole day there. Our whole team is here to ensure that you have a wonderful stay, just like our guest services coordinator, Linda.
If there's anything I can do to make your stay even better, please come and see me in the Welcome Center.
Download our Sun Outdoors mobile app where you can book your next stay. We can't wait to welcome you here at Sun Outdoors Petoskey Bay Harbor, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.